So remember, you need to be quiet because the other children are listening to Miss Odinson.
Okay, so hello, welcome everyone to our 4th masterclass. And this one is, I think it's going to be, is it our last one for the term?
Yeah, it is our last one this term because.
Sorry, sit down.
I don't think so.
Well, we haven't all. Yes, we do. We do have another cooking one, but it's not something that you can eat. So we are putting ingredients together to create something, but it's not something that you can eat. So you just have to wait and see what it's going to be. And you'll get the recipe in your pack for last week. So this week we've got chocolate crackles, and a lot of people have shown me their recipe. Yes, you can eat chocolate crackles, and I'll let you know, when I was growing up and I was your age, every school holidays, my brother and I would make chocolate crackles. It's one of our favourite recipes because you don't really have to put anything in the oven. You only have to heat one ingredient, and it doesn't take long for you to wait to eat the treat that you made. This is something that you might make if you're having a birthday party or for a special occasion.
Now, I want to remind you, because these recipes are something you don't just make once and never use them again, we want you to keep your recipes. Don't put them back in the pack and give them to us. We want you to keep them because next week you're going to make a little recipe book. Okay, now I know some of you might have lost some of your recipes. We'll give you extra ones when you come back to school. But the ones you've still got, look after them because you're going to need them for your recipe book.
Okay, so and recipe books are great to have, and you can pass them down as well. So you can pass them to your children. You can say, this is what we made, all the things that we cooked when we were in lockdown in 2021, when I was in primary school.
Right. We're calling it Kids in the Kitchen.
That's what we call it, Kids in the Kitchen.
It's my book title, but I think someone's already online.
All right, so here are my ingredients. Cocoa powder. Okay, I've already got everything open. Cocoa powder, icing sugar, rice bubbles, and desiccated coconut. And desiccated coconut means coconut that's been cut up into tiny little pieces and dried. It's really, really dry. That's what desiccated coconut is, and it's yummy in cakes and in our recipe as well. All right, so my equipment is really easy. I just need a bowl, measuring cup, a mixing spoon. I've got 2 spoons, 1 spoon. Oh, I had everything ready. Did someone take my spoon?
Is it a measuring spoon?
Yeah. Oh. Why did you took the spoon? And I need a saucepan as well. This is my saucepan. Everyone should have a saucepan. You don't need a big one, just a little one. You can even get a smaller one than this. And did I show you copa? So my ingredient was copa. Now copa is from coconut. It's the fat from coconut. And it's solid. Listen. At the moment it's solid, but we're going to change it from a solid to a liquid. How do you think we're going to change it from a solid to a liquid? Anybody? Sonia? Sonia? Oh, Joe.
We're melting it.
That's right. We're going to make it. We're going to put it on the stove, and we're going to apply heat, make it hot, and it's going to change from a solid to a liquid. And that is one of our most important ingredients. Now I know Chanlita hasn't got cocoa, but you can use butter, Chanlita, or margarine. It will do the same thing. Okay, great. So you can just use butter. All right. So let's start. I was going to show you these 2 spoons. Now it says a tablespoon. A tablespoon, if you haven't got little measuring jugs or measuring spoons like I do at the moment, you can have a look at your spoons. The little spoon is a tablespoon.
No.
A teaspoon. Sorry, a teaspoon. And the big spoon is a tablespoon. And we're going to need the tablespoon, not the teaspoon. All right. the right? What do I have first?
Mix rice bubbles, which we need 4 cups.
4 cups
So we
of
need
rice.
to measure out 4 cups of rice bubbles. Four. Okay. Now we need to put in the icing sugar as well. And icing sugar is 1 cup of icing
Gee,
sugar.
that's a lot of icing sugar.
That makes it nice and sweet.
Of icing sugar. And remember, icing sugar is just really fine sugar. It's been crushed and turned into a powder.
Yummy on strawberries.
And I'm going to fill it right up to the brim or the rim. It's a new word that we learned, didn't we? Some people use it to. Okay, it's right up to the
Flat.
top and flat.
Okay, the cocoa, we need 3 tablespoons of cocoa.
All right, so I'm going to use my big spoon. And I need
No,
3
cocoa.
Three of those. Now this smells delicious, but if you try a little bit, if you lick your finger and if you dip your finger in and lick it, it's not very sweet. It's quite bitter. So, but when we mix it with the sugar, it will become sweet. So how many of these do I need?
3 tablespoons.
That's 1. I'm trying to make it flat. 2. Because it doesn't say heat, does it?
No, but if you didn't heat, that would be twice as much.
Yeah, too much. 3. Okay.
And then lastly, our coconut. So coconut is 1 cup of desiccated coconut.
And it's just 5 flakes of coconut. Wow.
All right.
Oh, it smells nice now. Yep.
So we've got all our ingredients. So now we need to mix them all.
Okay.
Mix, big stir with a spoon.
And these are my dry ingredients, and I'm mixing up all my dry ingredients. Oh, I'm creating a cloud of icing sugar.
Because it's locked down.
Cacao. Okay, I think I mixed them really well. It's all mixed together.
The next step is to melt the cocoa slowly in a saucepan over a low heat. Now we only need 250 grams, so that is the whole packet actually.
Is it?
Yeah.
You can see the measurements there.
See there on the side of the packet it says 250 grams, so it's the same size as a packet of butter. So we need all of that. Okay, so I'm going to go across to the stove.
What colour do you think Kofa is? No, I've checked. What colour is Kofa?
Oh yeah, let's
Does
open it.
anyone know? Yellow. Some people said yellow. Some people said white. It's white. And remember, it comes from coconut. Kofa is coconut fat. Does it taste nice?
I just tried a bit. It doesn't taste nice at all.
Not yet.
No,
Okay. And
it's not sweet.
and then I'll come with you. So we're going to go to the stove now.
Another spoon. So it's slow heat, so I'm going to turn the gas on low.
And it doesn't, coconut melts really quickly. Cocoa melts really quickly. So it shouldn't take long to melt.
Put it on low so it doesn't go too
Yeah, I can
quick.
see it.
I just find a spoon to stir around.
See it, look, it's solid. And soon it's going to start melting. Oh, I can see it melting already. See how it's
Starting to slide.
slide around because it's melting. Okay. And it will turn from something white and solid to something clear and liquidy, like water, almost like water. But don't try it because it's going to be really hot. Maybe we can chop it up a bit. It might not be so hard. super strong. Sorry.
Let's chop it up before you put it in the pan. Otherwise, it's too dangerous.
Well, what we're going to do is put a lid on it. So
Just leave it. It's melting. Don't try and chop it up in there because that could flick over.
Yeah. Sorry. I'm just going to put a lid on it to make it melt a bit quicker. All right. So while we're waiting, no. So yeah, Mr. Oliver asked me. Shh, thank you. An interesting question. Do we need to put the oven on? No, we don't have to heat the oven because we're not putting them in the oven at all. So we're going to put them somewhere where they can set, so that all the wet ingredients set hard. So where do you think we might have to put them? We want it to set. And we don't want the cocoa to be a liquid anymore. We want it to set back into a hard object. Angela thinks she knows. What do you think? Athena, where do you think we might have to put the finished ingredients? Because we want it to set. Where do you think we might have to put them? We make it hard again. We're not going to put in. We don't need the oven. So what do you think we might need? Does anyone know? Go on. Yes.
Fridge.
Yeah, that's right. Thanks, Charlotte. We have to put them in the fridge. So let's have a look and see how we're going so far. Is it
I'll say slowly, so it might take a few minutes, but it's going down. We're starting to end up with a lot of liquid in the pot.
Now, Chanlita, you haven't got any kofa, but you do the same thing with your butter. So you have to melt your butter. Okay, so it becomes liquid as well. So do that now. Yeah, so you have to melt your butter. I don't know how much butter you'll need. Probably the same amount. So have a look at your recipe and see how much kofa you need, because that will be the same amount. Oh, Kira, have you melted yours, Kira?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're nearly there.
I used butter
That
too.
it's turned into a liquid, like water, a clear liquid like water.
Chocolate.
Get your patty pans ready on a tray.
Okay. Right. While you're waiting for your cocoa to turn into a liquid, get your patty pans ready, and I'll show you my patty pans. I've got mine ready.
Oh, that's
People who are joining our cooking class, you have to be quiet, please. Look. So I've got all my patty pans ready. And I put them into, I know we're all learning about arrays. And arrays means, is another word for just straight rows, like equal rows. And I've got my patty pans in I've spread them out on my tray in 3 equal rows. So in each row, how many do I have in each row, Derek? What could you do? You could count them. Yeah, okay.
Count them by 5.
So how many in each row? Listen to what I ask you. How many in each row?
1,
Yep.
5, 2, 4, 5.
What about the next row?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Next row.
This. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Listen to my question now. How many equal rows have I got? Not 3 equal rows. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 equal rows. If we're looking at it this way. But if you flip it round, you're right. It's 5 equal rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this time we have only 3 in each row. So we'll go back to where we were. So 3 equal rows, and each row has 5. So challenge question, everybody out there in cyberspace. And here, how many patty pans do I have all together? 15. How did you work it out? Easy. Let's go. 5, 10, 15. What about? It's going to be. If I turn it this way, when we have 5 equal rows of 3, how many do we have? 3. What can we skip count by? 2. Let's go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay. Thanks, everyone.
It's completely clear.
Oh, okay.
Completely melted. There's no
Have a
lumpy
look.
bits.
It looks like water. Don't get tricked though. Don't try and touch it because it's
Make
it's
sure you
very
turn
hot.
off the stove as well.
All right, and this is the good part. And we're nearly finished our recipe. That's how quick it is. Now I've got all my dry ingredients. We're going to add the wet ingredients to my dry
Slowly add it
ingredients.
and stir it. Maybe I'll pour it in while you stir it. So
Ready. And I don't have to create a well this time. It's not water. It's kofar.
it's liquid.
It's liquid. It's and I'm mixing it. Now I'm going to make everything wet now. I'm going to wet. It's like making mud pies. Make sure you give it a good stir. You wet all the ingredients. Oh, and you have to add quickly because if you take too long, your cocoa will become cold and start to set. Yeah, and you haven't finished mixing all your ingredients yet. I think. Okay. Yeah, people are cooking with us. All right. I think everything is mixed up really well now together. Have a little smell. Does it smell nice? No, it doesn't. Pretty good. Delicious. Pretty good. Okay. Have a smell of your ingredients. So now my dry ingredients are all wet and it's sticking together because of the kofar. Now I need to spoon my ingredients into the patty pans. So be careful. Yum. Oh.
Not ready to eat yet, though. We've got to.
No, not ready to eat. But you could have a cheeky taste if you wanted to.
I don't want a cheeky taste. That looks like a mud.
It does look like.
It's a bit like Cocoa Pops if you've eaten Cocoa Pops.
I think Chalita's got Cocoa Pops in hers.
Yeah, you could, if you couldn't get rice bubbles or if you've got Cocoa Pops, you wouldn't need to add the cocoa.
Well,
then.
not as much anyway.
Yeah,
To add a bit of Oh, there'll be plenty. We can give some to Mrs. Fisher, Mrs. Morgan.
We have some cereal. Flavored cereal. Mister. Cereal.
Probably a bit
How to make.
Okay, I've got plenty left over, so I'm just going to chop up my patty pan.
This is how to make mud.
Now, I can see Kira's cooking along, and Rebel's cooking along this time.
There are a lot there. I can't see everything. There's a lot more there, is there? 21, wow.
Oh, wow. Okay. Make sure you use all of your wet ingredients up. If you've got plenty left over, just chop up your patty pans. Yeah, make extra large ones. Yeah.
Have you made these before with Mum, Charlotte? No?
The good part about this is that it's easy to. Thank you. It's easy to make on your holidays. You just have to ask an adult to help you with melting the kofar, and then everything else you can probably do on your own. Okay, so now that I've spooned all my ingredients into my patty pan, the last thing I have to do is put it in the fridge to set. At the moment,
Say for how long?
no, it doesn't say for how long. In the moment, it hasn't set, so if I tried to take it out of my patty pan, it would all fall to bits in my hand. So I have to put it in the fridge to set. So the kofar that was solid. When we put it on the heat, it turned into a liquid. And now, when I put it in the fridge, what's going to happen to it when I make it cold? was a solid, and then it became a liquid, and now I'm going to put it in the fridge, and the tofu is going to become a solid again, and it's going to set all my ingredients.
So this will take longer than 10 minutes. It's not heat. It takes longer to chill and
It won't actually.
won't. Oh, you don't
No,
think?
no, it won't. It should. Well, it probably will only take about 10 minutes. It's not.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
Sure.
Sit up, please, John. It's going to be like just putting it in the fridge.
Space here.
And
Oh, there's some yummy lollies here as well.
the fish, Mr. Lightfoot.
Right, we'll come back. We'll go for a brain break now, run outside, and then we'll come back.
They can go, can't they?
Yeah,
Yeah.
second.
Yeah, so that's it, everyone. So now we're going to go out for a bit of a brain break and run around, and then we're going to come back and check our chocolate crackers and see if they're set. So that's the end of our cooking show today, our masterclass for today.
No.
Okay. So it's a really easy recipe. It's a delicious recipe, and you'll love these chocolate crackles, and you'll thank me for introducing them to you. Okay, so have fun cooking, and let me know. So take some photos and let me know how they went. I can see Rebels. Can you see Rebels? She's already finished hers. Kira, what about yours? Have you finished yours as well? Oh, they were Kira's. Oh, Kira, you have to put them in the fridge now. So that was set. And and here's, I can see Ethan's making his as well. Just pouring in the cocoa now. So you have to mix all your wet ingredients and dry ingredients together. And I'm going to let you go and let me know how your cooking goes today. If you're not sure and you want to check out the video, it will be on our YouTube channel and you can watch it again, and then you can see myself and Mr. Lightfoot making it, and you can follow us. Okay, bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye. See you all.
Bye.
Bye. Happy cooking.
I'm a shorty.
This is also stated one question.
Oh, sorry. Yes, who was that? Yes, Rebel.
Do we get our cooking paper back when we get our next pack?
Just say that again.
Like the paper that we got for the cooking.
Oh no, you can keep that. Keep it to add to your cooking book that we're going to make. A recipe book.
To like school.
If you haven't got your other recipes, I'll give you a photocopy of all your other recipes. Okay, but keep that one for your recipe book. Thanks for asking that, Rebel. All right, see you, Sarita. Bye, Sonia. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, Chanlita. How are yours going, Chanlita? Have you tried them yet?
Not yet. I didn't.
Are you going to hang up and start cooking?
Yes, I'm gonna
Okay,
say
fine. All right, see you, Chanlita. Bye, Rocky. Bye,
Bye.
Sonia. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.